Very fast and easy how to split the screen view or divide in two apps. The screen, very easy, is all you have to do. You have to open the apps, you have to open the app you want to split, and these apps must be in the background. Then you're gonna select or press this option, that's this button that's in the bottom, the three lines, and you're gonna find which of the two apps you want to split. The first app that you select is gonna be in the top, and select this icon, and here you can see open in a split view. Split view, the first one you select is going to be in the top, and then here you're going to be on options of which other apps you can use in a split screen. For example, Galaxy Store apps, and this is the easy way to split the screen. You can move it up, move it down, and if you want to close, all you have to do is move it to the bottom, and remember that the first app is going to be always like the principal app. Like to the channel, subscribe, and remember to comment, and thank you.